The algorithmic oracle. A glimpse into the future. The financial world is changing. Gone are the days of gut feelings and hunches. The future belongs to algorithms. Imagine a world where machines analyze market data with unparalleled speed and precision. They identify patterns invisible to the human eye. These algorithms then execute trades with ruthless efficiency. This is not science fiction. This is the reality of AI in finance. The rise of artificial intelligence is transforming how we invest and trade. Nowhere is this more apparent than in the world of binary options. Binary options offer a simplified approach to trading, making them an ideal entry point for those curious about the potential of AI. With AI, even novice traders can potentially level the playing field. They can challenge seasoned professionals in the financial markets. Binary options are like simple bets on the future price of an asset. Imagine this. Will the price of gold be higher or lower in the next hour? This is the essence of binary options trading. You predict whether an asset's price will rise or fall within a specific time frame. If your prediction is correct, you win a predetermined payout. If not, you lose your initial investment. This simplicity makes binary options attractive to many, but navigating these markets requires skill. Traders must accurately predict market movements to succeed. This is where the power of artificial intelligence comes in. AI can analyze vast data sets, identify trends, and execute trades with speed and accuracy that humans simply cannot match. AI trading bots are revolutionizing the way we approach binary options. These sophisticated programs are designed to automate trading decisions. They remove the emotional element from trading. This can be particularly beneficial in the fast-paced world of binary options, where even a moment's hesitation can be costly. Imagine this, an AI bot tirelessly analyzing market data 24/7. It identifies potentially profitable trading opportunities. The bot then executes trades on your behalf, even while you sleep. This is the promise of AI trading bots. They offer a hands-off approach to navigating the complexities of financial markets. But remember, not all bots are created equal. Choosing the right bot and configuring it correctly is crucial for success. Section 4. Deriv and Quotex platforms for the AI trader. Deriv and Quotex are two popular platforms at the forefront of the AI trading revolution. They offer user-friendly interfaces and a wide range of assets to trade. What sets them apart is their openness to algorithmic trading. They allow users to deploy their own trading bots, opening up a world of possibilities for those looking to leverage the power of AI. Deriv provides a seamless experience for integrating custom bots. They offer an intuitive bot builder, which allows even those with limited coding experience to create and deploy their own trading algorithms. Quotex, on the other hand, is known for its advanced charting tools and a wide array of technical indicators. This makes it a favorite among experienced traders who want to develop and test sophisticated AI trading strategies. Section 5. Configuring your AI arsenal. A step-by-step guide, ready to dive into the world of AI trading. The first step is selecting the right AI bot. There are numerous bots available, each with strengths and weaknesses. Some specialize in specific assets or trading strategies. Factors to consider include your risk tolerance, trading goals, and the bot's historical performance. Once you've chosen your bot, the next step is configuration. This involves setting the parameters for the bot's trading activity. This includes the amount of capital to risk per trade, the assets to trade, and the indicators the bot should use to make decisions. Think of it as setting the rules of engagement for your automated trader. Finally, let your bot loose upon the markets. Monitor its performance closely, especially in the initial stages. Remember, even the most sophisticated AI bots require oversight. The markets are constantly evolving, and your bot's parameters may need adjustments to adapt to changing conditions. Section 6. The allure of customization, Python, and the power of APIs. For those seeking greater control and flexibility, building a custom AI trading bot is the ultimate solution. Python, a versatile and beginner-friendly programming language, has emerged as the go-to choice for developing trading algorithms. Its extensive libraries and frameworks provide the tools needed to create sophisticated trading bots. APIs, or application programming interfaces, are the bridges connecting your trading bot to the platforms where trades are executed. Deriv and Quotex offer robust APIs that allow your custom bots to seamlessly interact with their platforms. This means your bot can access real-time market data, place orders, and manage your trading account, all without manual intervention.